Welcome back, everybody. I know it's been a while, so I just wanted to give everybody an update on what I've been doing and what's going on. So my wife and I just recently moved apartments to be closer to where we're building a house. And so this is my new office. I moved the 3D printer inside so I don't need the enclosure anymore for just printing PLA stuff. Can't exactly use these anymore because I don't have an enclosure for them to sit on. So I'm just going to create a mount for the filament roll to sit up on top of this frame. The next upgrade I'm going to be doing is a new heated bed, which is made out of silicone. It's got some 3M tape on the back side that you just peel off and stick to the underside of the bed. My heated bed actually became disconnected, I guess from moving around so much, and the wires weren't exactly bolted to the right spot underneath the bed, and they became frayed and just ended up coming disconnected. So I figured it'd be a good time to upgrade because the stock heated bed is actually 300 by 300, and this is a 500 by 500 millimeter bed. So this will fill up the entire heated bed and print a lot more uniform, and I can print all the way to the edge a lot easier without any warping going on. I actually got this off Amazon for about $130. I can put a link in the description if you're interested. But it's AC powered from an AC outlet, so it should heat up a lot quicker and get a lot hotter than the stock heat bed heater could get. But I have yet to try it out, so we'll see how it works. I'll let you know. And then after those two things are done and completed, I'm going to start this new project from V1 Engineering, and it is called the Mostly Printed CNC Router. So this is basically the entire kit, what you get in the box. Includes all the motors, all the hardware, the motherboard, an LCD screen if you choose to include that, and all the wiring, pretty much everything you need for the kit except for the 3D printed parts, which you can actually buy from him or print yourself, and some conduit to use as the frame. So what I plan on using this for is for mainly just cutting aluminum. So I plan on building the frame pretty small so that it's pretty rigid. But I plan on building some brackets for engine mounted things out of aluminum. I might try and attempt to machine my own shift knob for the Miata, and I'm sure I'll think of some more stuff as time goes on. But for now, that's all I've got planned. One of the things that I modified a while back was I got rid of the springs underneath the bed and just went with these hard mounts. and so that way I don't have to worry about leveling the bed every time. And I've got this auto bed leveling sensor. I really recommend getting one of these on a big printer like this, because with the bed being so big, it can easily warp a little bit and not be even. So first print on a new heated bed is complete. Came out pretty good. This is a part for the MPCNC. So as soon as I finish printing the rest of these parts, I'll make another video on the assembly and wiring everything up and getting it all ready to work. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.